Hey there, Facebook enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're tackling a sneaky feature: how to view hidden friends lists on the Facebook app in 2025. Whether you're trying to reconnect with an old pal or just curious about privacy settings, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app. Head to your device's App Store, update if needed, and open the app. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. That's the one with your picture. This takes you to your main profile page. Now, scroll down or tap the Friends tab, usually located near the top under your cover photo. If the list looks incomplete, don't worry. That's where the hidden parts come in. In 2025, Facebook has made some updates, so look for the three-dot menu icon next to Friends. Tap it and select Edit Privacy or View All. This might reveal options for hidden lists. Pro tip: if you can't see everything, try searching for a specific friend's name in the search bar at the top of the app. Sometimes, hidden lists are tied to custom privacy settings, so you might need to adjust yours. Go to the menu. That's the hamburger icon in the bottom right. Then hit Settings and Privacy, and under Privacy, check Who can see your friends list. Set it to Public temporarily if you're troubleshooting, but remember to switch it back for your own privacy. Once you've navigated these steps, your hidden friends list should pop up. Take a moment to review and maybe even send a quick message to someone you haven't talked to in a while. And that's it, easy peasy. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.